Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley 2012 Crosshairs. Now to get this process started, you are going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver, and I always recommend that you work on a bright surface. You're going to be loosening up some screws, so just in case one pops out, they're a lot easier to find this way. Now let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame upside down. Locate the screws here and here closest to the lenses. That's what you're going to be loosening up. Now you just want to loosen up. You don't want to completely remove them. It makes it a little bit harder to put the lens back in and get everything going. So let's start with one at a time. We're going to give a couple of turns to the left. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And just enough to be able to pop that lens out. And if you do hear a little popping sound when you're removing the lens, don't be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate that screw closest to the lens. And we are going to loosen it up just enough to get it to remove the lens. Alright. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, you're going to line them up to these grooves here. And you're going to push in or downward to get it to seat. So let's start with one lens at a time. Go ahead and line up that lens and push it in. And you should hear a little popping sound when you do. There we go. Now that's nice and seated, go ahead and tighten that screw back up. Make sure that it is flushed with the frame. Don't tighten up too tight. You don't want to strip the screw, so just a couple of turns. Okay. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and line up the lens and push in or down to get it to seat. There we go. Now that that's nice and locked in, go ahead and tighten up that screw. And now go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch. Give it a nice little wipe down. Remove any dirt or debris, oils that might have been left behind during the installation. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized the look and functionality of your frames to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, the lenses, or your frames, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.